Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Buying. If you're tired of wasting money on disposable canned air, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 best cordless air duster to keep your workspace, PC, and car spotless. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Foretoo cordless air duster. The Foretoo cordless air duster is a high-performance cleaning tool designed to deliver powerful, precise, and portable dust removal for a wide range of environments, from home and office use to cars, workshops, and outdoor travel. At its core, it features a 130,000 RPM high-speed brushless motor that produces intense hurricane-like airflow. With up to 125 Gs of concentrated wind pressure, it effectively removes stubborn dust, sawdust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from hard-to-reach spaces such as keyboard gaps, car interiors, electronic devices, and workshop tools. Its military-grade aluminum fan blades are engineered for durability and stable, low-noise operation, making it suitable for both heavy-duty cleaning and everyday use. Power efficiency is another standout feature. The device is equipped with a 5200 mAh high-capacity lithium battery that supports long usage sessions without frequent recharging. On the first gear, it can operate continuously for up to 350 minutes, while at maximum power, it runs for around 23 minutes. This makes it reliable for full car detailing, home cleaning sessions, or professional tool maintenance. It also supports Type-C fast charging and includes an advanced battery management system for stable performance and extended battery life. For greater control, the air duster offers stepless speed adjustment, allowing users to fine-tune airflow from a gentle breeze to maximum turbo power. This makes it suitable for both delicate tasks like cleaning camera lenses or circuit boards and more demanding jobs such as removing deep-seated dirt. The ergonomic control design ensures comfortable one-handed operation even during extended cleaning sessions. Portability is a key advantage of the Foretoo air duster. Its compact, lightweight design allows it to be easily carried in a backpack, car trunk, or toolbox, eliminating the need for bulky compressed air cans or wired devices. It is built for on-the-go cleaning convenience, whether at home, in the office, or outdoors. To enhance versatility, the device comes with 5 different nozzle attachments designed for various cleaning needs. These nozzles make it effective for cleaning PCs, keyboards, sofas, printers, air conditioners, and other electronic or household surfaces, ensuring comprehensive dust removal in multiple scenarios. Coming in at number 4, the Tetsaooy cordless air duster. The Tetsaooy cordless air duster is a compact yet highly powerful cleaning tool designed for everyday use at home, in the office, and on the go. Built for portability, it easily fits into a laptop sleeve or tool pouch, making it convenient for travel, workshop tasks, or quick cleaning sessions. At its core is a high-speed 110,000 RPM turbo motor that produces strong hurricane-like airflow, allowing it to quickly remove dust, debris, and dirt from gaming PCs, keyboards, car interiors, home appliances, and more. This air duster features 4 adjustable speed levels, giving users full control over airflow strength. The lowest setting is ideal for delicate electronics such as keyboards and computer components, while higher speeds are perfect for deeper cleaning tasks like car detailing, bike maintenance, refreshing household appliances, or even removing pet hair from furniture. It can also handle light outdoor cleaning tasks such as clearing patios or scattered debris. Designed with practicality in mind, the fan-mounted LED light ensures that illumination directly follows the airflow, making it easier to spot and eliminate dust in dark or tight spaces. Operating at under 60 decibels, it maintains a relatively low noise level, allowing for quiet use during late-night cleaning, office maintenance, or pet grooming without causing disturbance. Powered by a durable 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, the device delivers up to 2.5 hours of continuous operation on a single charge, enough for thorough car detailing or multiple cleaning sessions. Its high-impact ABS construction and tested durability support a lifespan of over 15,000 hours, ensuring long-term reliability even under demanding conditions. The device is also engineered to perform well in both high and low temperature environments, making it suitable for year-round use. Overall, the Tetsaooy cordless air duster is a versatile, multi-purpose cleaning solution capable of handling everything from electronics maintenance to home, vehicle, and outdoor cleaning tasks, backed by 24-month protection with free replacement or refund support. At number 3, we have the Cagiwiru cordless air duster. The Cagiwiru cordless air duster is a high-performance cleaning tool designed to deliver powerful and efficient dust removal for a wide range of applications. Equipped with a turbofan that reaches speeds of up to 130,000 RPM, it effectively clears dust, debris, and particles from sensitive and hard-to-reach areas. The device also features a built-in LED light, helping users see clearly during detailed cleaning tasks, along with 3 adjustable speed modes to match different cleaning needs. Powered by an upgraded rechargeable battery, the W20F air duster offers strong and reliable performance. With USB-C fast charging support, it takes approximately 3 hours to fully charge. Once charged, it can deliver up to 240 minutes of use on the lowest speed setting, while the highest third speed provides around 25 minutes of intensive cleaning power. The device also supports multiple charging options for added convenience. A battery protection system is included, and users are advised to wait about 10 minutes after use before charging to allow the battery to cool down. Designed for versatility, the air duster comes with 5 different nozzles, making it suitable for cleaning cars, keyboards, computers, pet areas, electronics, and other household or office equipment. Its cordless and lightweight design ensures easy handling and portability, allowing users to carry and store it conveniently without taking up much space. Built for long-term reliability, the product comes with a 5-year warranty and 24/7 customer support for assistance whenever needed. Before first use, it is recommended to fully charge the device to ensure optimal performance. The Cagiwiru cordless air duster combines strong airflow, practical design, and user-friendly features to provide an efficient solution for everyday cleaning tasks. Next up at number 2 is the Fanttik B10 Pro Max cordless air duster. The Fanttik B10 Pro Max cordless air duster is a compact yet highly powerful cleaning tool designed for modern electronics and versatile everyday use. Built with a 130,000 RPM brushless motor, it delivers strong and consistent airflow capable of reaching up to 65 meters per second. With 6 adjustable speed levels, users can switch seamlessly from gentle dust removal for delicate surfaces to high-intensity cleaning for stubborn particles on workbenches, keyboards, and electronic components. For instant maximum output, the Mega Boost One-Tap feature provides a short burst of extra airflow, making quick work of deeply embedded dust and debris. Designed for convenience and portability, the device features a palm-sized body measuring just 5.6 by 3.0 by 1.6 inches, allowing it to be easily stored in a drawer, backpack, or workspace without taking up space. Its dual built-in 4,000 mAh lithium batteries provide up to 210 minutes of runtime on a full charge, ensuring extended cleaning sessions without interruption. The inclusion of a Type-C charging port adds modern convenience while also enabling the device to function as a small emergency power bank with a 28.8 watt-hour capacity for charging mobile devices when needed. The Fanttik B10 Pro Max also enhances usability with a clear LED display that shows battery status and speed settings in real time. A built-in LED light helps illuminate dark or hard-to-reach areas, such as inside PC cases or tight corners, ensuring no dust is left behind. It comes equipped with 4 specialized nozzles designed for different tasks, from precision dusting to broader airflow applications. It can even assist with inflating items like airbeds and swim rings with recommended settings for safe use. Combined with 2 cleaning brushes for both gentle and deep cleaning, the device offers a complete, efficient solution for maintaining electronics and other household items. Finally, at number 1, we have the Wolfbox MF200 Cordless Air Duster. The Wolfbox MF200 Cordless Air Duster is a high-performance cleaning tool designed to deliver powerful, efficient, and convenient dust removal for a wide range of environments. Built with modern technology and user-focused design, it offers a practical alternative to traditional compressed air cans while ensuring long-term usability and strong airflow performance. At its core, the MF200 features a high-speed brushless motor capable of generating an intense jet airflow of up to 87.5 meters per second. This powerful output allows it to quickly remove stubborn dust, debris, and fine particles from sensitive and hard-to-reach areas. With 3 precision speed settings, users can easily adjust the airflow depending on the cleaning task, whether it's delicate electronics or heavy dust buildup. One of its standout features is the removable and swappable battery system, designed for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Users can simply replace the battery when needed, ensuring continuous operation without waiting for recharge cycles. The device supports 4 flexible charging methods via Type-C, allowing the tool or battery to be charged independently for maximum convenience. On a full charge, it can deliver up to 100 minutes of runtime at the lowest speed setting. The MF200 is also built for versatility. It comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles and 2 cleaning brushes, making it suitable for cleaning PCs, keyboards, cameras, home electronics, and even outdoor gear. A dedicated storage pouch keeps all accessories organized and portable, making it easy to carry for travel, camping, or daily use. Designed with portability in mind, the air duster weighs just 0.85 pounds and features a compact handheld structure, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Its reusable design supports over 500 uses, offering a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to disposable compressed air cans. To ensure long-term reliability, the product includes a 24-month warranty and continuous customer support, providing users with added confidence and peace of mind. For safety, it is important to avoid using or storing the device near liquefied petroleum gas or flammable materials such as solvents or paint thinners, as improper use may pose fire or explosion risks. Say goodbye to dusty setups and wasteful compressed cans for good. Check the price link in the description to find the ultimate cleaning tool for your gadgets. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more high-quality tech upgrades. See you in the next one.